Welcome to How to Draw a Symbol.
Today we're going to learn how to draw some gifts. For the first gift, let's start off by drawing a long horizontal line for the top of the box. Then, draw two vertical lines going down from the middle for the ribbon. From this end, draw a short line going down, followed by a horizontal line ending at the ribbon. And mirror those on the right side to finish off the lid. To finish the box, draw a line going down over here, turning and going to the right like so, and going back up to the lid to close it out. For the ribbon on top, draw two angled ovals like bunny ears. And from the tip of the ovals, draw a line going out, then curving back to the base of the ribbon like so. This next gift is going to be three boxes stacked on top of each other. To start that, let's draw a wide horizontal rectangle for the bottom box. Then, a smaller but taller box on top, followed by an even smaller box on top of that one. For the string tying them together, draw a line going down the middle with two bunny ears on top, and two more wavy lines hanging down like so for the ends of the string. For this last gift, we'll be drawing a gift bag. Start by drawing the bag with a big box shape like so. And add a vertical line here for one of the corners. On top, draw two upside-down U-shapes for the handles, followed by a scribbly lump on top of the bag for the tissue paper. Lastly, decorate the bag however you want. I'm going to draw some stars. And now you got some gifts.